Hey, what's going on YouTube? Today I'm going to be fully loading Jailbreak and putting the best app store on the on 4K streaming box. Some of you are familiar with the older versions, which is a green box. They have the stick and then they have the regular one. Then they get the 4K edition, and now it's, I believe, their fourth release now, which is the on 4K plus. This is quick. This is nice. Wi-Fi 6, Atmos, and 4K UHD streaming. So this is a great box. It's 39 bucks, I believe, in Walmart. You can grab one. I believe other retailers are starting to carry it, as well as Amazon. Incredible box. I'm really happy with it. And as you know, with all those blocks by the Amazon Firestick and changing their OS, going to Vega in the future, maybe perhaps, and starting to block apps, a lot of people are fed up with it, and they're getting a simple Android box. You can go with China boxes, Android TV boxes, but this on TV 4K Plus is just incredible, and it's faster, in my opinion, than a Fire Stick, with 0 blocks and full control of your Android box. So now I'm going to show you how to fully load this, get all the best free movies, TV shows, all that stuff. So if you've been on a Fire Stick and you're fed up, you can just go down to Walmart, grab one of these, and get going. Super simple, 39 bucks, and you're going to get going with this super easy, okay? So the first thing, once you have your on 4K Plus box, the first thing you want to do, similar to Fire Stick, you're going to go to Settings and click All Settings button. You'll see a bunch of menus, and we have so much options here. So no worries. All you have to do is scroll down to System. Now, once you're in the system, click inside of System, and you'll see several features. You want to click on About, and you'll see the device name, legal information, the model. Android TV 14 is running, so you'll see that it's running Android 14. Incredible, fast and quick. Android 14 as well, and you'll see a bunch of options here, okay? And then you want to go to the bottom and click on the build number. So as you notice, I'm clicking on it, but if you click on this several times, it'll enable developer options. I keep my developer options on, and I enable it straight off the bat if you need to change any settings and stuff like that. That's the first thing you really want to do on the box. Then you want to hit the home button. That'll throw you back into home. And now let's fully load this. Let's fully jailbreak this. So we're going to go to the search, okay? And you can see that we have all these things, and it'll search for movies and stuff like that. So we don't really want to do that. We want to load some apps here. So how do you do this? You go to straight to apps and click down to search for apps and games. Click into that, and we can type it in, or we can use the Google voice command here, and we can search for downloader. So that's the first application we need to get to fully load this, okay? You'll see an orange icon that looks like just like that, the first one there. Don't be fooled by these imitations here, one with blue. Orange icon right there with the D in it, okay? Click on the downloader, and you'll see it's by AFT News, and you'll see 4.2 reviews. Click on Install, okay? That's going to get the downloader application. It's going to start pulling it into our device, okay? And once it downloads, we'll be ready to go to the next step, okay? So here we are. It's downloaded, and it's going to install it now for us, okay? Give it a minute here. Should wrap up any minute. There you go. It's verified by Play Protect, which is fine. Okay. Now, what you want to do, we want to do a couple of things before we get downloader going. We're going to hit the home button, and you can see downloaders under our apps now. It's installed. Now, all we got to do is click up, and we're going to go to the gear icon again. We're going to go to all settings. Okay. And we'll see that we have a couple of things here and our apps, and you'll see that our downloader app is here. When we click see all apps, downloader is here, okay? So great. So now let's proceed to the next step. Hit the home button, and under apps, you'll find downloader. Now we're not going to open it up yet. There's one more thing we have to do to get into the unlinked store, okay? So let's go back to search for apps and games. This one, we're going to open this up, but this one, we're going to type it in. It doesn't pick up well on the voice. We're going to search for IPVanish. So type in IPVANISH. just like that, IPVanish, and hit the search button, okay? What's that going to? It's going to search for the IPVanish VPN, okay? Now, you'll see that right there, black background, white P, just right there. Click on the IPVanish and press the install button. Now, I'll explain everything in detail, okay? And it's scanning these apps with Play Protect. And in the next step, I'm going to show you how to turn off Play Protect, because some of these apps from the unlinked store or the jailbreak store, where there's hundreds and hundreds of applications, it might get flagged by Play Protect, okay? But these apps are virus free and they give you free movies, free TV shows, pay-per-views, and I'll show you how to turn off that Play Protect as well, okay? So once IPVanish installs, we're going to install the unlinked application to get full access to the store. So once it installs IPVanish, let's press the open button. Now you'll be presented with a screen like this. Now, what you want to do, you can scan this barcode here, or you can go to the link in the pinned comment description. Now, what's that going to do is going to take you to a landing page, full transparency. This is $2 and change. It's a latte at Starbucks per month. What this is going to do, it's going to unlock all content, give you access to the unlinked application, because ISPs, internet service providers, have been blocking access to the unlinked application. This is going to open it up, give you all the updates for the apps, and give you more than 60 premium applications in this unlinked store by running a VPN and unlocking all the pay-per-views, all the movies, all the TV shows. It's going to unlock it completely, as internet service provider has been blocking it, okay? So right now, through my affiliate link, you're going to get 82% off. You can use one account on unlimited devices, so you can use this on Firesticks, on TV boxes, NVIDIA Shields, smart TVs, whatever you have in your house, iPhones, Android phones. This works on all platforms, okay? So you can either go to that link here on your PC, or you can scan it with your phone if you prefer to do this on your phone. It's going to take you to a landing page. From there, you're going to get 82% off. Sign up with your email address and create a password. Then you're going to get an email notification from IPVanish to verify your account. Once you verify your account, you'll be able to log in with the email you signed up with and the password. You can pause the video to take care of that, okay, if you wish to, and I'll show you the next step to get the unlinked application to fully load our Firestick with over 60 premium applications for free movies, TV shows, pay-per-view, sports, and everything else that you ever wanted, okay? So without a VPN, it's not going to work. Unlinked is being blocked. Therefore, we need to turn the VPN on and set this up. I'll show you how to set this up. Pause the video if you need to, scan the barcode, go to the link here, and set up an account, and then log in with your email and password and press the login button. You can pause the video to do this, and then we'll continue to the next steps, okay? So once you're signed in to your VPN account, it looks something like this. What you want to do, you want to hit the gear icon and connect on Android Startup. Once you do that, press 1 back. Go to the location button right there. Click on that location button. And from here, go to countries, and this will work the best for unlinked. You want to select United States. If United States is slow for you, you can also select Germany, United Kingdoms. Any Western countries will do well with all these events, sports, and all these channels and all these apps. I like to choose the United States. So highlight United States and then say favorite United States after clicking on it. And then it'll put a yellow star. You want to click on it again and say connect to United States. It's going to come up with this screen. You want to press the OK on the screen. Now, what's going to happen, it's going to do a couple of things, and this should turn green in any minute, and it should be connected and protected and assign you an IP address. And say VPN is connected via IPVanish. Press and hold home for more, okay? So we're fully protected now. Now we can proceed to the next step. Let's press the home button, and this is so easy to do. And we have Downloader and IPVanish under our apps now. Now let's go to apps again at the top, okay? My apps, and then open up the Downloader application. Once we open it up, it'll look like this. We're gonna press the OK button here. Click one up, highlight this field right here, and now we're gonna get unlinked on here. So all we have to do, we can just type in unlinked. So unlinked, L-I, unlinked, okay, dot link, exactly like you see it on my screen here, dot link, okay. unlinked.link exactly like that, and then press this check mark here, and then scroll down to go and press the go button. Now you'll see it connecting, and then a website will come up. And as you can see, I can scroll with a little red dot here with the D-pad, just the same way as on any Android box or Firestick. It'll load the unlinked website. You want to scroll down until you see download APK Android. You want to click on that little Android guy right here or anywhere on that picture. It's going to say connecting, and it's going to start pulling the unlinked application. Okay, it's only 3.9 megabytes, and this will allow us access to the store. Okay, once it downloads everything, it's going to try to install, but then it says for security reasons, we cannot install, which is fine. We go to settings now, press settings, and on this install unknown app screen, simply flick the downloader to the on position, just like that. Okay, now once you do that, it will automatically take you back up to the install, and you have the opportunity to press the install. Let's do that. Let's press the install, and that installs the unlinked. How simple and how easy. Now we can just open unlinked right away. This is the beautiful feature of Android 14, that it works so easy and seamless. Now unlinked, when it's open, you want to press the new library now. Okay, now I'm going to give you a special code where it gives you access to all the apps. Click inside here, and simply, doesn't matter if it's lowercase or small case or large letters, it doesn't matter. Just put in the word Firestick. Okay, just like that, Firestick. Okay, one word, Firestick, and when you're done, simply just press that enter button. Okay, so first on this Android 14 OS, I'm still getting a little bit used to it. Click that check mark, and then it's going to go right into the store. Oh, it said something is wrong. Okay, I guess I didn't put it correctly, or I have added a space maybe. Okay, let's try again. Okay, so I think there's a space. That's the issue with autocomplete. So instead of doing that, I'm just going to enter the word Firestick without auto-completing it. Maybe perhaps that was the issue with autocomplete. I'm pretty sure my VPN is on, so it should go in. If your VPN is not on, you might have that issue. Okay, let's do the check. And this time, as you see, it goes in. So that's a little issue with the autocomplete. Be careful with that. Some people are having issues on the Firestick as well. Just type it in. Don't use the autocomplete. It might add a blank space and it won't work. Okay, so the word is Firestick. Now, it's going to take you to a welcome screen. Now, you can take out your phone, take a picture of this welcome screen. That's going to give you the best apps, and I update the screen every 2 weeks, every 3 weeks to give you the best applications. It's going to be always updated, always up to date, always brand new. You're going to get lots of information. What are the top apps for free movies, TV shows, all that. But don't worry if you don't see the welcome screen. This is blurred out right now because for YouTube purposes, but if you're doing this on your Android box, you'll see everything there, okay? So what you want to do is, instead of going back, what you want to do is press the backward arrow twice. So let's get out of the unlinked application, okay? And let's press home, okay? This is, now you see unlinked is installed. Let me do the next steps now to show you the farther steps. So after exiting the unlinked, we can just relaunch at any time. It's under our apps. Our IPVanish is running. So let's open up unlinked. And as you notice, the second time we started, we don't have a welcome message. So let's click on the new tech apps, and I'll show you how easy it is to load apps. Now for YouTube purposes, I'm only in these Firestick tools, okay? So you'll see a bunch of Firestick tools, and then right below you see best sports apps, best movie and TV show apps, all these applications. You see it right below all your best applications, okay? Now I have sections for free movies, free TV shows, pay-per-views, everything that you ever wanted. It's all there. It's all available, okay? So all the apps are there. Everything is there. You can just scroll up and down, left to right. And if you want to get any application, or you want to see what are the best apps, you can scan that QR here as well. That will show you the best applications for movies and TV shows. Just scan that top list. That will give you, I update this every 2 weeks. It'll give you all the best applications, okay? Now, how to install apps in Unlinked? Very simple. Once you find the app, you simply just click on it. Press the download button. It'll start little hourglass, and it'll start pulling the app. It'll say 0 bytes, and then you'll see the download progress happening here. And you can even install and download simultaneously as many apps as you want. So I could go to VirusTotal for presentation purposes. I can click that and it will download and install. Now we're going to get this pop-up once it finishes downloading, and we can click install app. Okay. Now what's going to happen? It's going to say permission required. Not a problem. I'm going to press OK. And Android 14 makes it so easy on this box. It takes us right to install unknown apps. And from here, we just have to turn unlinked to the on position just like that. Okay. And once you do that, we can just press the back arrow. And now we have the opportunity to install the app. Okay. Now, on some apps, Play Protect will pop up and will bother you saying, do you really want to install this app? You can say install anyway. Play Protect is on some of these apps that have been tagged by Google Play Store that they have some kind of virus, Trojan, or unsafe. Google has made that decision. But don't worry, all the apps are scanned here by VirusTotal. They have no viruses. They have no Trojans in my store. They're clean. It's just Google Protect is very strict with that. These apps will be okay here, but if you go to some of the sports apps and some of the movie apps and you try to install it just like I installed VirusTotal, you'll get that pop-up, but you can click install anyway. It's not like Firestick that it blocks you right away. You can still install it. But to disable Google Protect is super simple. Let's do that off the bat now. And remember that you can come back to the Unlinked store at any time to get all those applications by going left to right, up and down to get more apps. So let's disable this Google Protect by going to settings and then all settings. And then that's right underneath apps. You want to go in apps. Okay. And you'll see a bunch of applications. Okay. Under apps, keep scrolling down and go to security. Once you're in security, you can turn off Google Protect here. Okay. Scan apps with Play Protect. So I have Play Protect off already, so it wouldn't give me that message. So make sure you turn that off if you don't want that annoying message that asks you if you want to install it anyways or not. So here I am. Here's my apps, and here's my setup. And I can go into Unlinked back at any time, as I said, and I can install many, many other applications as I wish. You can scan this as well to get the top app list and to get that loaded. Super simple. If I wanted to load another app, I would just click on it, just same process. It would download the app and I would press the install button. Make sure you scroll up and down, left to right to get all the best applications. And this is how you fully load the ONN 4K TV box. Incredibly easy to do, super safe, super fast box, very good, comparable to Firestick. I'm surprised how well it works. The remote is responsive. It just works really good. And I'm loving this device. And, you know, just press install app. The second time you do this, you won't get a warning message. You'll just press install. Screen will flicker. So as you noted, the permissions need to be turned on only once. Okay, that's pretty much it. Fully loaded. As you can see, for this entire process, my VPN was on, connected here 11 minutes. Get the VPN to get full access to Unlinked, continuous updates. If you don't have the VPN connected, you might not let you in the Unlinked store. You might be able to download things or run things. So get protected. With my discount, you get 82% off. It's like a cup of coffee at Starbucks per month. $2 and change will give you unlimited access to unlimited devices, full access, connect to any US server, get fully protected. Don't take the risk getting any letters and stuff from your internet service provider that you're streaming or downloading movies, things like that. So get protected, get safe. You can run this on as many devices as you want. You can scan the barcode, go to this link to get that discount through my affiliate page, 82% off, and that gets you covered and full access to Unlinked. And you can enjoy one account, as many devices as you want. Okay, so that's that. We fully loaded that. We have Unlinked. We can go back in at any times, get all the updates and things. Just a little quick tip before I go here. Go to Unlinked. And if you want to get the new updates in Unlinked, all you have to do is go to Settings once you start it up, clear cache a few times, and then go to the Home button again, and then exit Unlinked. So I'm going to exit. And you can see when I start it back up, it's going to decrypt things. And then we can hit New Tech Apps, and that will have all the new updates if I scroll up and down, left to right now. Okay, so that pretty much wraps it up. So I don't have a pin lock on my store. I haven't put that yet, but some people have been knocking off my store code and linking to my apps and things like that. So I haven't put a 4-digit pin. I've been thinking about a 4-digit pin, but I haven't done it. But all I ask you guys before you sign off here, let me know if you're liking this ONN 4K box, for one thing. Second of all, make a comment below this video right here, because this is the video that's going to get you the 4-digit pin if I ever decide to put one. I'll auto reply to all all the comments here what the 4-digit pin is. So I don't ask for donations. I don't ask for money. Just a simple comment will help. And I highly appreciate it. Just comment, what's your favorite food? Do you have a dog? Do you have a cat? Where are you from? What city and town you're representing? What's your favorite sports team? Any comment or just a simple hi. And then I'll reply with the 4-digit pin if I ever do put it in the future. Let me know if this worked for you. Let me know which apps need updating, which apps you're liking, which ones you're not, which ones are not working. Let me know all that in the comment. Also, follow me on X. I'll drop an X. Is also in the description. The link to follow me on X. I do a lot of updates. I answer a lot of questions on X. So do follow me on X. I would highly appreciate it. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the like button. And before I sign off, I always want to tell you another quick little tip for those people that watch me all the way to the end. If you install some kind of app and it doesn't show up under your apps, how these are showing up for me, if one app doesn't show up for some odd reason, it might not show up. As you see, those do task kill switch didn't show up here. I'll show you how to launch it. Simply press home and you would go to the gear icon, settings, and all settings, and then go to apps, okay? And then go to see all apps, and then you would launch it from here. You can see all the apps are in here, virus total and stuff, and then you just press open and you can open that application up from here. If for some odd reason you can't find it in here, that's the workaround to do, okay? Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for being here. Let me know how you're loving this. I'm loving this on 4K plus, incredible box, and if Firestick continues heading the way it's heading, I think a lot of people are going to go onto this. This is really good. Price points $39.99 for all this. Amazing. The box is real tiny. It's behind my TV. Very small box. Doesn't heat up. No issues whatsoever. Great little box. And if you're looking to switch from a Firestick and fully loaded like I showed you, go ahead and do that. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. And hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the bell icon for notifications. I'll see you all in the next video. Take care. Have a wonderful day.